Hey, old school, we lost somebody that gave me so much laughter and fun and just incredible grooves, and that was Shock G. So peace out to Shock G and his whole family for the grief that they must be experiencing. He was like my age and just recently died. So send love and light to their family. And today we're just going to pay tribute. All right, we're going to warm up and then we will definitely hit the Humpty Dance. So you want to stay with me. So get through the warm up so you can get to the Humpty Dance. Let's start. Train up.
Now as the record spins around, you recognize that sound, well it's the underground. You know that we're down with what you like, with what you like.
And though we're usually on a serious tip, check it out. Tonight we're gonna flip the trip and let it all hang out tonight. We're gonna say what we like.
Cause yo, we wanna know how many people in the flow would like to just let yourselves go and do what you like. What's the night your night? Just eat food, try not to be crude or rude. Kill the attitude, show the serious mood and do what you like. And do what you like. Everybody do what you like. Yeah, do what you like. Just do what you like. Go where you like. I mean, rich, poor, high, low, upper middle class. Let's all get together and have a laugh and do what we like. And do what we like. And since you came here, you gotta show and prove. And do that dance until it's over. Do what you like. Sometimes I bite.
Now if you're hungry, get yourself something to eat. And if you're dirty, then go take a bath. Mess up the line. Sometimes I don't mind. Help yourself to a cracker with a spinach and a cheese. Have a neck bone. You don't have to say please. Eat what you like. Yo, smell how you like.
Everybody do what you like. Do what you like. Do what you like. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you like to do, talk how you like. Just act a fool. It's okay if you drool, cause everybody's gonna strip and jump in the pool and do what we like. And do what we like.
Homegirls, for once, forget you got class. See a guy you like? Just grab him in the biscuits. And do what you like.
No red, white, tan, black, yellow, or brown. It really doesn't matter, we can all get down and do what we like. And do what we like. Redskin Yankee to a bootleg southerner. Get shit or governor, just do what you like. Look how you like.
Now don't you know we're getting busy? We can't be corrected. Shake that. If I say what I like. Like I said, sometimes we bite. Even though you don't think it's right. I like to bite. Just having fun, y'all. And if you think it's wrong, you got to admit it's a new type of song.
Do what you like. Yeah, do what you like. Go where you like.
Go where you like.
Do who you like. Alright, here we go, y'all. Do what you like. Talk how you like. Drink what you like. Grab who you like. Feel what you like. Eat what you like. Scratch where you like. Itch if you like. Go where you like, kid.
Brief announcement to all radio DJs. If this record is currently being played at your station, we will provide the following time for you to announce your station identification. We'd also like to add that we've now reached the 3.5-minute mark of the song. Radio stations may begin your fade here. For those that would like help, we will start your fade for you.
what you're doing, cause I'm about to ruin the image and the style that you're used to. I look funny, but yo, I'm making money, see? So yo, world, I hope you're ready for me. Now gather round. I'm the new fool in town, and my sound's laid down by the underground. I drink a bottle of Hennessy you got on your shelf, so just let me introduce myself. My name is Humpty, pronounced with the Humpty. Yo, ladies, oh, how I like to funk thee. And all the rappers in the top 10, please allow me to bump thee. I'm stepping forward, yo, and just like Humpty Dumpty, you're gonna fall when the stereos pump me. I like the rhyme, I like my beats funky, I'm spunky. I like my oatmeal lumpy, I'm sick with this. Straight gangster Mac. But sometimes I get ridiculous. I'll eat up all your crackers and your licorice. Oh, yo, fat girl, come here, are you ticklish? Yeah, I got you fat. Look at me, I'm skinny. It never stopped me from getting busy. I'm a freak. I like the girls with the boom. I once got busy in a Burger King bathroom. I'm crazy. Allow me to amaze thee. They say I'm ugly, but it just don't faze me. I'm still getting in the girls' pants, and I even got my own dance. There's no chance to do it all. Come on, we do the Humpty Hump. Check me out, y'all. I do the Humpty Hump. Just watch me do the Humpty Hump. Yeah, I do, you know what I'm doing the Humpty Hump. Come on, I do the Humpty Hump. I do the Humpty Hump. People say, yo, Humpty, you're really funny looking. That's alright, cause I get things cooking. You stare, you grin, you constantly try to compare me, but you can't get near me. I'm giving more C, and on the floor B, all the girls, they adore me. Oh yes, ladies, I'm really being sincere, cause in the 69 my Humpty nose will tickle your rear. My nose is big, I'm not ashamed, big like a pickle. I'm still getting paid, I get laid by the ladies, you know I'm in charge. Both how I'm living and my nose is large. I get stupid, I shoot an arrow like Cupid. I use a word that don't mean nothing, like Luke did. I sang on Do What You Like, and if you missed it, I'm the one that said just grab them in the biscuits. Also told you that I like to write. Well yeah, I guess it's obvious I also like to write. All you had to do is give Humpty a chance, and now I'm gonna do my dance. Humpty dance is your chance to do it. Come on, yeah, sexy lady, do the Humpty Hump. I do the Humpty Hump, sexy baby. Everybody, come on and do the Humpty Hump. I do you know with the wind, with the wind, the Humpty Hump. I do the Humpty Hump. Watch me do the Humpty Hump. Yeah, that's the break, y'all. Look at that bass groove right here. Yeah. Now that I told y'all a little bit about myself, let me tell you a little bit about this dance. It's real easy to do. Check it out. First I went to the side like my leg was broken, shaking and twitching, kinda like I was smoking. Crazy whack funky. People say you look like MC Hammer on crack, Humpty. That's alright, cause my body's in motion. It's supposed to look like a fit or a commotion. Anyone can play this game. This is my dance show, Humpty Hump's my name. No two people will do it the same, you got it down. When you appear to be in pain, humping, funkin', jumping, dig around, shaking your rump, and when the doodle jump, point the finger like a stunt, tell them step off, I'm doing the hump. The Humpty dance, there's no chance to do the hump. Everybody, I do the Humpty Hump, come on, I do the Humpty Hump. Sexy lady, I do the Humpty Hump. Again, the underground is in the house. I'd like to send a shout out to the whole world. Keep on doing the Humpty dance. To all the ladies, peace and humpiness forever.
you're sweating. Don't hit pause. Just get some water. Get back on the dance floor. We're gonna do our arms right now. We're gonna work your arms. We're gonna work those legs, alright?
All around the world.
Alright? Side to side. We're gonna go low. Get grip.
Yo, we've been all around the world.
Been all around the world. I came for the party to get naughty, put my rocks on, eat popcorn, watch you move your body to the pop song that I'm singing, ding-a-linging, funky beats ringing, everybody swinging in the place as I kick the J's, easy my style, R&B mixing it with the hip hop swing beat, champagne in my hand, I won't be long till I'm gone. It's just the same old song.
It's just a freestyle, meanwhile I keep the beat kicking. Sweat dripping, girlies in the limo eating chicken. Oops, forget the grease on your pantyhose. I love you, Robo, move over. I gotta blow my nose, sneezing, but still I'm pleasing. All of Slimmies, pull out my Jimmy. Time to get busy with a Jenny. If it's good and plenty, don't you know? There I go, there I go, there I go. But I don't go nowhere without my gym hat. When I'm rapping, if she's stopping, then I'm stopping, cause I'm smarter than that. And then, girlie, maybe we can get along. Cutie after cutie, it's just the same old song. It's the same old song, y'all. Same song. It's just the same old song.
It's the same song. Money big, the freaky dicky, the squeaky wicky up and down. Well, as a matter of fact, I'll be right back. I gotta take a leaky. So I'm draining, entertaining, but I got fame and the bases I touch. Too much for me to try to be naming. Hey yo, he saw me on cable and grin. I busted in and I was going to win. I tried Gable back in Oakland. It's the same old song. It's 40 shorty, same freckles and hat, drinking the same 40.
Hypothetical, political, lyrical, miracle whip, just like butter. My rhymes are legit, cause I'm a Humpty, not Humpty Dumpty, but Humpty Hump. Here a hump, there a hump, everywhere Humpty Hump.
Shut up and just listen, not listen, don't get me wrong. But to me it's just the same old song, so just watch. Cause my name is Shock, I like to rock and you can't stop this. Tupac, go ahead and rock this. Now I'm around when I hang around with the underground. Girls used to frown, say I'm down when I come around. Gas me, and when they pass me, they used to diss me, harass me. But now they ask me if they can kiss me. Get some fame, people change, wanna live their life high. Same song can't go wrong if I play the nice guy.
Claim and fame must have changed now that we became strong.
I remain still the
Why
same,
two?
cause it's the same song.
It's the same song.
Same old song, y'all. Shout out, shake that, shout out. It's just the same old song. Yeah, Humpty Hump in the house, y'all. And you know what? It's the same old song. All around the world, same song. Let's go.
Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa
Yeah, shimmy, shimmy, cocoa pop.
Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa pop. Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa pop. We chocolate crossover.
Yeah, we chocolate crossover.
Shimmy, cocoa,
I'm cocoa and I might go pop. Now it's about time that I clear this. So pardon me, miss, but I'd like for you to hear this.
if you kiss me, then I'll kiss you back.
You see, I feel real good inside, and it's just from your nearness. There's no need for you to fear this.
Kiss me,
I'll kiss you back.
Well, you look kinda cute to me. I think we can achieve this. Plus you act like you need this. Kiss me and I'll kiss you back. Yeah, we'll fly. Money B's not buying it. Quit denying it, you're better off trying it. Freak me, girl, and I'll freak you back.
Through any kind of weather, will me and you forever stay together. Well, I just don't know, but I tell you what though, if you kiss me, then I'll kiss you back.
Kiss you back.
And
I guess you wanna know if I'm gonna be around. I ain't sure, but I tell you what I do know. If you kiss me, then I'll kiss you back. Alright, let's do this. Kiss me, then I'll kiss you back. Yeah, kiss me and I'll kiss you back. If you kiss me, then I'll kiss you back. You with it? Cause if you with it, I'm with it. Yeah. Kiss me, then I'll kiss you back. Yeah. Just kiss me, then I'll kiss you back. I'll kiss you back. Now I'm hoping that you hear me cause I love it when you hear me. And I'm telling you sincerely that if you kiss me, girl, I'll kiss you back. Cause I really, really, really like you. And I just wanna make it clear. We're gonna keep it fair and square. Kiss me and I'll kiss you back. Yo, it's not funny. Real cute is what you say to me. But any other way you play me. If you love me, then I'll love you back. When you say I get the most out of this, it kinda bothers me. A fair exchange and no robbery. Love me, girl, and I love you back. Love me, girl, and I love you back. Now I'm hoping that you hear me, cause I love it when you hear me. And you know I know you knew this, so I guess that we could do this. Kiss me and I'll kiss you back. Alright, sing it with me again, come on. Kiss me and I'll kiss you back.
That's what it gets complicated.
Come on, keep it going. Kiss me and I'll kiss you back. Yeah, ladies. Oh yeah, yo, I'm with it. Alright, that's cool. Now let's change it up a little bit. If you blow my tummy, I'll tickle your feet. If you blow my tummy, I'll tickle your feet. If you touch me here, I'll touch you there. Yeah, put lotion on me. Kiss me and I'll kiss you back.
I'll kiss you back.
You love me, girl, I love you back. We know what you go through. Sometimes we put you down. People treat you cold when they know you sleep around. We never wanna disrespect you, and I'll never tell anyone in town. But if you love me, then I'll love you back. I'm asking if you're down. If you kiss me, then I'll kiss you back. Kiss me. If you kiss me, then I'll kiss you back. If you kiss me, then I'll kiss you back. If you feel my feet, I'll tickle your tummy. If you love me, boy, I love you back. Yeah, I like what the girls do. If you love me, boy, I love you back. Come on, ladies, one more time. Kick it.
If you love me, boy, I love you back.
That's tricky. Keep trying it.
Kiss me, then I'll kiss you back. But if you hit me, then I'll hit you
Try
back.
to do things on both sides because that crosses the right brain, left brain barrier. So you want to keep trying your moves on each side when you can. Hey, do what you like to these videos. We're not perfect and you don't have to be either. That's the whole point of Dance Fitness. Just have fun, fun, fun. Hey, old school. Thank you for joining us today. Woo! I hope you had a swinging good time. Yes, we are building a community of fun fitness. So please come back and dance with us again. We would sure love to see you again. And be sure to comment and let us know how you're doing. And hit the like button and subscribe and share it with your friends. If you're having a good time, bring some friends in. We love and appreciate you so much. And please love and appreciate yourself every day. I will see you next time we get up and groove. Bye, old school.